Hello, this is you Cyber Defender, and today we'll be talking about how to manage services on Ubuntu. So, first, if you want to manage services, you'll probably have to open the terminal. Now, let's say you want to check your services to see if you have the service or don't have another service. So, if you want to check your service, you want to do sudo service status all. So, after that, you'll have to type the password. And then after this, you'll see this big list of servers. So over here, let's look at this first service. So this over here, this plus means that it's running. And this over here, that's its name. So if you don't know this service, you can search it up and see what it functions as. And if there's a minus, that means it's not running. So most of the time, you'll want to focus on these services with the plus. Now let's say you wanted to get the server open SSH. So if you look in here, you won't see anything that says SSH or open SSH. So if you want to get a open SSH server, you'll do sudo apt install open SSH server. So there will be all this text. And then after that, it may ask you to confirm by doing a Y or an N. If that happens, you'll want to click Y and then enter. So after this, you should have installed Open SSH Server. So if you look at your services again, you'll see this new server SSH. Now let's say you wanted to disable it for the moment. You would go sudo service SSH stop. So this response means that it's like stopped. And if you want to restart it, you'll do sudo service SSH start. So this response means that it's running. Now let's say you got it on accident and you want to delete it. After that, if that happened, you would do sudo service purge open SSH server, because remember we got a SSH server. So okay, if that's an unrecognized service, then we'll have to do okay, wait. Okay, it's sudo apt purge open SSH server. So after this, you'll do Y. And then, so after this big chunk of text is done, then if you sudo service status all, then you'll be able to see that there's no SSH server. So that's it for today.